How to include subscription-based services in your proposal. With TaxDome's proposal feature, you can set up recurring invoices and automatic payments right inside your proposals, making it easier for your clients to commit to ongoing services by offering a seamless, subscription-based experience that takes care of both the work and the payments automatically. Let's say your firm is offering a monthly bookkeeping service. Instead of billing your client each month manually, you can set up a subscription-based service in your proposal, where payments are handled automatically. This not only saves time for both you and your client, but also ensures consistent cash flow. Here's how it works. First, let's create a new proposal. You can always write a proposal from scratch, but templates serve as the foundation for all your proposals, making it easy to adapt and personalize as needed. We have this bookkeeping template ready to go. From the Services and Invoices step, we'll select the option to add an invoice or ask for a deposit. We now have the option to choose between a one-time or a recurring invoice. Since we are offering a monthly bookkeeping service, we'll select the recurring invoice type. Just like with the proposal, you can create an invoice from scratch or select a template. You can set this up to start the billing on acceptance. Be sure to specify the number of recurrences. We are offering a 1-year subscription, so we'll select 12 and set it up as a monthly recurrence. Next, add the services from your list, such as monthly bookkeeping. For a truly hassle-free experience, enable the automatic payment option. This way, once your client signs the proposal, the first invoice is paid instantly, and subsequent invoices will be issued and paid automatically according to the schedule. When your client receives the proposal, they can review the details, sign, and even complete the first payment, all in one go. From their perspective, it's a smooth, streamlined experience. On your end, you can track these recurring invoices easily, knowing that payments will be handled without additional effort. With TaxDome, offering subscription-based services is more than just an option. It's a smart way to enhance your services, improve client satisfaction, and ensure reliable revenue for your firm.